August proved to be a game changer for India's drone industry, marking a month of innovation, milestones, and strategic developments. Welcome back to our channel, viewers. I'm Paulimi, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Here are the top 20 news from the month of August. DGCA grants type certification of 2 drones this month. Surveillance drone Skyswift 56 by Marut drones and Switch UAV all-terrain dominator by Ideaforge. DGCA moves to suspend or cancel unique identification numbers of over 8,700 Chinese drones wrongly registered under model RPAS on Digital Sky, highlighting violations of import authorization rules and the 2021 drone import ban. During the 26th Kargil Vijay Diwas commemorations in Dras, the Indian Army showcased a spectacular drone and robotics display featuring UAVs performing coordinated aerial maneuvers, high-altitude supply drops, and simulated strikes, underscoring significant advancements in border security and the expanding role of unmanned systems in frontline military operations since the 1999 Kargil conflict. Defense Ministry clears Rs 30,000 crore deal for 87 indigenous Malay drones to be produced by 2 firms in a 64:36 ratio with dedicated facilities for scaling up productions and boosting future exports. PM Narendra Modi announces India's support to Fiji's agriculture with 12 drones, 2 mobile soil testing labs, and early delivery of 5 MT of high-quality cowpea seeds to boost sugar sector innovation and food security. Rolls-Royce has expressed strong interest in co-developing a new engine for India's Cat's Warrior UCAV and has proposed a formal partnership with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh inaugurated a state-of-the-art test facility of IDEX winner startup Rafale in Noida, Uttar Pradesh on 30th of August 2025. Praising the startup's rapid progress, he highlighted that 3 indigenously developed products by Rafale and DRDO were successfully deployed in Operation Sindoor within just 14 months, showcasing India's rising technological progress. Garuda Aerospace inaugurated its defense drone facility in Thalambur, Chennai on 22nd of August 2025, unveiling 5 advanced UAVs: Avalanche Victim, Swarm, Jawan, Canister Dropping, and Drone 2.0, along with the Garuda Raksha Uran 2025 Impact Book and initiatives like a Defense Drone Lab, free remote pilot certifications for soldiers, GAR vans for mobile drone deployment, and training for widows of martyred soldiers, advancing India's Atmanirbhar Bharat defense vision. Maruti Suzuki, India's largest passenger vehicle maker, has secured board approval to amend its Memorandum of Association, paving the way for diversification into manufacturing drones, UAVs, electric air taxis, and advanced control and propulsion systems, with the proposal which was set for shareholder approval scheduled on 28th of August 2025 annual general meeting. Punjab CM Bhagwant Mann inaugurates 3 Baz-Akh anti-drone systems in Tantaran along the international border to curb cross-border smuggling. Assam Rifles and IIT Manipur signed landmark MOU to inaugurate indigenous Made in India drones into operations along the challenging Indo-Myanmar border, leveraging advanced UAV technology for surveillance, rugged terrain adaptability, and complex security scenarios, reflecting India's push for self-reliant defense innovation and collaboration between academia and armed forces. Daksha Unmanned Systems Inc. MOU with State Bank of India to expand access to agricultural drones. On the other hand, Time Technoplast and Drone Stark Technologies Inc. MOU for hydrogen-powered drone development. The Chetak Corps of the Indian Army's Sapta Shakti Command conducted a capability enhancement demonstration in the deserts of Rajasthan, showcasing high-tech measures in counter-drone operations and validating the operational proficiency of airspace users in complex electronic warfare environments. Arunachal Pradesh's East Kameng district successfully used drones to deliver hepatitis vaccines from the district hospital in Sepa to the primary health center in Baming. This milestone is part of the drone-based doorstep diagnostic service project. India's Tapas BH-201 UAV, equipped with a new 180 HP indigenous 4-cylinder turbocharged engine featuring FIDEC for high altitude efficiency, which is set for its landmark first flight this October, showcasing 18-hour endurance at 28,000 feet. Karnataka's Hassan district launches a thermal drone squad under its Elephant Task Force using vehicle-mounted drones and computer systems to monitor elephant movements during early mornings and nights, providing real-time alerts to both the public and forest officials to reduce human-elephant conflict, announced by the Forest Minister Ishwar Khandre. Hyderabad-based Veera Dynamics, in collaboration with Pinepod Research Labs, has announced the development of RAMA, Radar Absorption and Multispectral Adaptive, a next-generation nanotechnology-based clocking material designed to enhance stealth capabilities. Aerospace and Aviation Sector Skill Council has partnered with AVPL International to launch AASC-certified short-term micro-credential programs for youth in the drone and aviation sector, leveraging AVPL's ₹12 crore investment in 30 Aerovision drone labs across 30 cities to provide practical skill-based training. California-based Seafly Aviation sets a new Guinness World Record as its Q-12 prototype quadrocopter completes a 3-hour 11-minute flight in Salinas Valley, showcasing its all-electric modular VTOL design capable of carrying a 10-pound payload, sustaining a 2-hour hover or 3-hour continuous flight, and targeting 4-hour endurance within a year. Rajasthan's AI-driven drone cloud seeding at Ramgarh faced early regulatory and technical hurdles. After DGCA cleared high-altitude flights, indigenous drones with the HydroTrace platform successfully seeded clouds on 1st of September, marking a breakthrough in India's weather modification efforts. We hope you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more such drone updates from all over the world, keep watching Drone Helpline.